Hello and welcome to another update video about Bonk. So let's take a look at the Bonk chart and see if it actually continues to respect the parameters here that we have on the chart. And at the moment it does. And I want to zoom out first to the 4-hour chart. Then we can dive into the micro. But here we have this, this potential wave 4 correction that's still unfolding as a WXY structure. That's the idea. It could also be an ABC, but if in an ABC, it would need another low. What we could do, but that's just sort of the academic side of it, we could say, okay, A, B, and then this is a C wave down, and we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Does it make a difference? Not really. It's just something that we might need to do, but I want to just explain that as long as we only have a 3-wave move up, it could just be a wave 4 rally, okay, or a B wave rally. It's just to highlight that as long as it's corrective, it could still fail and give us another low. Whether that's a wave 4 or some kind of a B wave, at the moment it looks more like a wave 4, then that's not so relevant. Just want to explain that as long as we don't see 5 waves up, we have to consider one more low. But it's looking promising, okay? It's looking promising. Why? Because we only have 3 waves, yes, but the 3rd wave, so if we consider the wave 4 bottomed here, here on Saturday the 13th, then this was a wave 1, this was a wave 2, this was clearly a 3rd wave, and now we could be in the 4th wave. I provided already earlier today the support zone here between 162.425 and 197.217. This is the support zone for a 4th wave pullback. And if we push higher once more now, then we have 5 waves. What I'd like to see though is that this wave 4 stretches out a little bit, possibly to reach the 38.2 retracement or the 50% retracement. And that would provide some nice proportional balance between waves 2 and 4. And then we could get one more high in wave 5. And then we have 5 waves up in a larger degree wave 1, because then we can say, hey, okay, probably this wave 4 bottomed. We have 5 waves up. Let's watch for a 3-wave corrective pullback, which would be the wave 2. Wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 to the downside. And then from there, a 3rd wave rally could begin. And the good news is this smaller degree 3rd wave within possibly yellow wave 1 reached the 138% extension. That's sort of the first ideal target I normally want to see reached in such a 3rd wave. Had it not even come to that level or moved to that level, I wouldn't have added a micro support area, because really it only makes sense to add a support zone for a 4th wave once the 3rd wave has done what it needs to do. And yeah, wave 5 should then minimally reach the 1.618 extension. I mean, I can add now another fib level just to highlight the 1.786 and the 200%. These would be possible targets for the 5th wave. 246, 259, 265, 082. And then we have 5 waves up. And as I said, I cannot yet give you a support zone for that wave 2 pullback, which would probably follow then. But we'll be able to do so once we have a confirmed top in place in wave 1. And that would be then the next sort of pullback opportunity. I mean, even now there's a pullback zone on the chart. It's just that from a probabilities point of view, as long as we only have 3 waves up, it could easily break down again. Yeah. But when we have 5 and they are clear, they are not always clear, but when they are clear, that provides a potential setup and better or higher probabilities in favor of further upside trend continuation after a corrective pullback. These should be the parameters to watch. So hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.